Good morning, students. It is time to start our grammar class for today. We will start chapter 10, Nouns, Number. What is noun number? The word number means amount or quantity of something. So, noun number is a collection of persons or things. It represents one thing or more than one thing. It has two numbers, singular and plural. Nouns according to number are of two types, singular nouns and plural nouns. Singular nouns are related to one person or one item. Plural nouns are related to more than one person or item. Let us look at the examples. Book is a singular noun. Books is the plural for book. Boy is a singular noun and boys is its plural. Man is a singular noun and its plural is men. Girl is a singular noun and its plural is girls. Let us now understand the rules to change singular noun into plural noun. Most nouns form their plurals by adding s to the singular nouns. For example, when you add s to boy, it becomes boys, which is the plural form for boy. Similarly, on adding s to girl, it becomes girls, which is the plural form for girl. For dog, we will add s and it becomes dogs, which is the plural form for dog. This can be done for horse, chair and book. Now, we will understand the rule for adding es. For example, when you say the word brush, can you hear the hissing sound? Similarly, with gas, box and glass. All of these nouns have a hissing sound at the end. In that case, you can add es to the plural form. For brush, we will add es, which would make it brushes. For gas, you can add es, which makes it gases. Similarly, box will become boxes and glass will become glasses for plural form. For the nouns which end in y, you can remove y and add ies instead. For example, pony. The plural is ponies, which is spelled as ponies. Here, you have removed y and added ies instead. Similarly, it goes for lady, fly, and city. How do you change the word which has f in the end? For this, you will change f into v and add es. So, for thief, the plural would be thieves, which would be written as thieves. Here, we have changed f into v and have added es to it. Similarly, it goes for leaf, calf, and knife. You will convert f into v and add es to the word. We can change the vowel and then make a word plural. For example, man. The plural for man is men. You changed a into e and this became a plural. Similarly, it goes for woman. You will change the a, you will put e, the word becomes women, which is the plural form for woman. Let us look at foot. Foot has o, which is a vowel. To make it feet, which is the plural form for foot, you will change it into e. For tooth, you will change o into e. For mouse, you will change o into I. And for goose, you will change o into e. So in this way, you can change the vowel and get the plural form. You can also make a noun plural by adding en at the end. For example, ox. Ox would become oxen and child will become children. For singular nouns which end in us, you can convert it into plural form by removing us and adding I. For example, the plural for cactus is cacti. For focus, it is foci. You remove us and add I at the end. For the word which ends in is, the plural ending could be es. For example, analysis. The plural form for analysis would be analysis. you will remove is and put es. Similarly, for ellipsis, the plural form would be ellipsis, but the spelling would change. Is would be removed and es would be added. If the noun ends in on, to make the plural form, you will remove on and add a to the word. For example, phenomenon. To make it plural, you remove on and add a, which becomes phenomena. Similarly, it goes for the word criterion. It has on in the end. You remove it and add a to it, and it becomes criteria. There are some nouns which have the same plural form. For example, sheep. The plural for sheep is sheep. Similarly, it is for series, species, and deer. All of these have the same plural form. The last rule. For nouns like dozen, score, pair, 100, and 1,000, you do not change them into their plural form if they are written after a number. For example, the car cost me $5,000 and not the car cost me $5,000. So whenever you are using these words after a number, you will not write them in their plural form. So this is all for today. See you in the next class now. Take care and bye-bye.